Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Note 12, and today I'll show you how we can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application. Looks like it is located in the Tools folder. From here, we're gonna select the gear icon, and then you wanna select Import or Export Contacts. And we're gonna import contacts from our SIM card to our either Google account or phone of your choice. And then this will display all the contacts that are located on my SIM card. From here, you can quickly select all of them by tapping right here on this very first checkbox. If you don't want all of them, you can obviously select them manually or deselect ones that you don't want. And from there, click on OK. And this will automatically import contacts to your location. So for me, it was a phone. And they should be visible right here in our list. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.